Now that we have gone through the validation criteria, how should you choose an antibody? Start by asking questions about your target. Will it be in native conformation? Is it denatured? Is it tagged? Then start a search for antibodies fitting your benchmarks. Everyone knows that the internet can provide access to hundreds of companies with thousands of antibodies for sale. There are also search engines that can provide a global catalog of antibodies present in the marketplace. Sites such as Antibodypedia, citeab, and Antibodyresource can provide user-submitted data or demonstrate functionality not provided by the commercial vendors. Clifford Saper, the editor-in-chief of the Journal of Comparative Neurology, said on behalf of the journal that we are constantly surprised by the oddly trusting nature of many of our colleagues who seem to believe, or want to believe, that an antibody will stain what the manufacturer claims. In fact, in many cases, nothing could be farther from the truth. When making your choice, select vendors that give you the most information and go the extra mile when it comes to antibody characterization. Data sheets should include, at a minimum, recommended applications and starting dilutions, animal host, and Immunogen source. If the source is a peptide, they should be willing to provide the sequence. Examples of successful use of the antibody in the applications listed should also be provided. The best option is to choose vendors that provide descriptions and confirmatory data of antibody specificity in multiple cell lines or cell types with appropriate positive and negative controls. The more information the vendor supplies, the better chance the antibody will perform accordingly. However, no company can control what happens once the antibody leaves their facility. Shipping problems, temperature fluctuations, and inappropriate storage upon receipt can have profound effects on antibody performance. Validation must be performed not only by the vendor, but also by the user.